Hey everyone, Luke here, back again. Got another review for you today. Today we're reviewing one of my new favorite one-step polishes or cleaner wax, wherever you want to classify it as. This one from P&S. This is Kyle Clark's, that's him. Pro Series Boat RV Restorer. Really good. I've been digging this one a lot. So this one's got, obviously it has some abrasive in it. It's carnauba and polymer based, so you're going to get like the protection and shine of a carnauba, and then the long lasting durability, chemical resistance and stuff from the polymer protection. You can use it by hand. I do use it by hand on a little foam pad to get in the intricate spots, and mostly I'm going to be putting this on by Rotary, or you can use DA with foam, and then like dedicated foam pad for cleaner waxes and stuff, because it's going to get impregnated eventually and it's hard to get it all completely out. So that's what I do. All right, so this is, you can use this as a one-step polish. Obviously, if you got a boat or an RV that's maybe a year or 2 years old, it's got just a little bit of oxidation and UV damage, this will take care of that in one step. This is also my second step in my two-step process, like we've been doing on this boat. Yesterday we compounded using Stark Level R compound, and I did that on a Rotary with the wool pad. So that process is going to leave the gel coat a little dull, and if you had it in the right light, you would see some like rotary marks and some fine scratches. So this is strong enough on the foam pad to remove what the compounding step is going to leave behind, and make it add some gloss and shine, and then leave that protection behind, so it'll be safe for a while from UV and oxidation. I always like to put these in my own bottle, just so I can carry it in my detailer's helper belt easier. So this one's really easy. I'm going to do this section right here. This is an average size section. As you can see, I've already been using this pad. Did the other half of the boat already, so that may be a little bit much. And then I do my usual like swipers. Still as usual, speed 1 on the Rotary. You don't need to use much pressure with this. You're just going to hold steady the polisher on the boat. Light pressure, I said that, and then I'm just going to work it maybe like 3 passes. So first I'm going to get it an even coat everywhere with the polisher, and then you can do up and down, side to side, or however you want to do it. I'm watching to see, like, you watch it kind of haze up. That'll come with time, but I'll show you what I do. Right now we're just getting it moved around, even coat. Okay. Slow on speed, light pressure. Let the product in the tool do the work. Overlapping, passive. See it getting shiny already, and then you can see the product kind of like hazing up already. That area is good. there you go. That's about how hard it is. You can see, like, I like this because it does haze up quick, but it provides good lubrication. So while you're using it, so this is already like ready to come off. That's almost ready. So you can leave this and just keep going around, like do half the boat or quarter the boat, and then come back and wipe it off. This I can take off now. Feels nice and slick. That's good enough. You're like, you're working into the pores of the gel coat. The gel coat is actually pretty porous. It's gonna be more porous on the top side than it is on the hull, because of the way they put the gel coat on, the formulation. See, it's not too difficult, which is one good thing I like about this. Is really easy to use, incredibly user friendly, except for it smells like diaper cream, but whatever. Every product's got one thing that I don't like. Compounds dust. This smells like diaper cream, but it works so good. Just go with it. So we'll come back here and then I'll do this top sides. You can just watch me again, see how I do it. That's plenty. Do my swipes, and then I'll just do it to like here, and then I'll get here, and then I'll have to go back and touch up by hand. So you use trigger lock, so you can just maneuver the polisher the way you need to. It's not quite ready yet. It still feels like a little bit greasy. Jump up here, leave that to set up. I'll show you. So like here. Getting in around these cleats. You can do this by hand before or after. Just gonna get in there. Just can't get in there with the pad. And then around like these sensitive areas with the black plastic and rubber. It's going to do that at the end because it's going to make your pad black. But you can use it on metal. So I usually put like a line here. Smart. You can dab it. And we're going to like spread out an even coat and then go through the polishing process. should be ready now. Like that. Nice and shiny, slick, protected by P&S. Bob and Dave, thanks for making this, and Kyle. This is good. So this is what I definitely recommend this. I'll leave links, like I said, to this on Amazon, and some pads and polisher. So if you have any questions, just let me know. Hit me up in the comments. And then when I get a chance to show you how I use this as a one-step, we'll do that too. So it works good. It cuts through some pretty decent oxidation. Okay, that's it. That's my review. P&S. I guess it's Carl Clark's boat and RV restorer. 1988 Sea Swirl. Again, I'm here in Santa Cruz. I'll leave a link to my website. Stuff you want to get a hold of me, you can contact me through there. Cool. Thanks for watching. Hope you have some